A millennium ago, the first known Slovenian words were written. 5 centuries on, the author of the first printed book in the Slovenian language, a Slovene Protestant reformer named Primož Trubar, lit a bonfire of what would prove to be a culture on the rise. From there, despite difficulties, Slovenian culture was unstoppable. And what's my part in all this? I'm a professor of art history and a writer. I'm an American who has lived in London, Paris, Florence, Rome, but in the end, I chose Slovenia as my forever home. I was so enchanted by its great architect, the modernist mystic Jože Plečnik, that I moved here. From then on, I devoted myself to exploring the wonders of Slovenian culture and sharing it in writing with those who've not had the chance to encounter it yet. On the world map, Slovenia stands out with great writers, architects, artists, musicians. I'm lucky to call a few of them friends. Friendship and love are integral to the Slovenian language itself. It is one of the few to have preserved the dual form. It's all here, waiting for the wise explorer to discover, as so many others have before.